Okay, let's have a look at this. This is 3b from the 2015-20, end of year algebra exam for NCEA 2. I've got this algebra equation to solve for t. So let's go ahead and we're going to rewrite this out. Actually, I'm going to write 1 over t times t minus 1 minus 1 over t is equal to 3 over t minus 1. Always too small for me to navigate around here. So let's start off. We're going to multiply this by this. This is going to be 1 times t is t. Negative 1 times that is negative t times t minus 1. All over, we've got this thing here, which is t times t minus 1 equals 3 over t minus 1. All right, that looks pretty good. So now we can, well, we've got all t's here, so I can, that t, and that t. Well, t divided by t is 1, so I've got 1 minus 1 times t minus 1, all over t times t minus 1 is equal to 3 over t minus 1. So that's nice and messy. Let's expand this top bit out. So I'm going to have 1 minus, well, negative 1 times t is negative t. Negative 1 times negative 1 is going to be plus 1, all over t times t minus 1 is equal to 3 over t minus 1. All right, so I'll put a bit of a line down the middle here. I'm going to restate the problem. Here it is. 1 minus t plus 1, which I probably could have simplified at that point there. T minus 1 is equal to 3 over t minus 1. Okay, so that should be all right. So let's just, let's see. I'm thinking we're going to expand all this out. So first job, I'm going to go 1 plus t plus, this is going to be, 1 and 1 is 2, so it's going to be 2 minus t over t times t minus 1 is equal to 3 over t minus 1. I'm noticing both have got t minus 1. So if I multiply all of this by, all of that by t minus 1, multiply all of this by t minus 1, I'm actually going to do that. So I've now got 2 minus t over t is equal to 3. If I multiply all of this by t, not this by t, I get 2 minus t is equal to 3t. Now, if I add t to both sides, I'm going to end up with 4t is equal to 2. Dividing both sides by 4, I'm going to get, and I'll write it down the bottom here, that's so t equals 2 over 4, which is 1 over 2, or t equals 1/2. So that's where I end up. So t is equal to 1/2. Hopefully that makes sense.